Today I'm gonna teach you exercise 2.5 question number 3 part 2. Find dy by dx if x is equal to y sin y. So our first step is completed, in which we will always pose. So this question is in the form of x is equal to y sin y. So we'll directly differentiate. X is equal to y sin y. So we'll differentiate. Here variable is x, so we'll differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, because we want to find dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. Here we can see that there are two variables. This is one variable, y and sin y. But this we consider first. This we consider first, and this we consider second variable. So when the product of any two variable, we will apply a product rule, and according to product rule, differentiation or derivative of any two product variable is equal to u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Here we apply product rule. So differentiate with respect to x, dx by dx is equal to u as it is, derivative of, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of v is sin y, plus v as it is, and derivative of u is y. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to y, derivative of sin y, derivative of sin x or sin x is equal to cos x. So derivative of sin y is cos y. Now we can see that we differentiate with respect to x. So again we will differentiate this y. If this is x and we will differentiate with respect to x, so there is no need to write dx by dx. But this is y, so we will differentiate y with respect to x, plus sin y, and derivative of y with respect to x as it is. Now we'll take common, because we want to find, why we take common, because we want to find dy by dx. So y cos y plus sin y dy by dx. 1. Now dy by dx, we write y cos y plus sin y. We take this term on this side and this term on this side. Dy by dx, this doesn't affect on the whole equation. So multiplied term we will divide on both sides. This term this can cancel. So dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by y cos y plus sin y. So this is our required solution.